Students, Chapter 1, Cells, Tissues and Organs, Lesson 4. Organs. Cells and tissues are organized into larger body parts called organs. An organ is made from a group of different tissues which all work together to do a particular job. आपको students इसमें बताया है कि cells they join together or group together to form tissues, and when tissues join together and group together they form organs. The heart, lungs, stomach, intestine, brain and eyes are examples of organs in animals. In flowering plants, the roots, stems and leaves are organs. So also are the parts of the flower. Human organ systems. A group of organs that work together to carry out a certain job or function is called an organ system. For instance, in the human body and the bodies of other mammals, the excretory system consists of the kidneys, ureters, bladder and urethra. These parts work together to keep the right amount of water in the body and to get rid of waste chemicals. इसमें आपको ये बताया है कि when organs they group together they form an organ system. Related organs group होते हैं, join होते हैं together to form an organ system. For example, excretion in human beings and mammals, excretory system जो होता है it consists of kidneys, ureters, bladder and urethra. इन सब organs से मिलके बना होता है. So students, ये आपका excretory system यहाँ पे दिखाया हुआ है. It consists of right kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra. ये सारे organs मिल के excretory system बना रहे हैं. So this is the excretory systems in animals. It removes waste from the body. So the next organ system is skeletal system. The skeletal system supports the body and protects certain delicate organs. ये देखें skeletal system, it consists of skull, rib cage, humerus, spinal column, radius, ulna, femur, tibia and fibula. These are ये skeletal जो हमारा system है ये हमारे certain body parts को protects भी करता है. जैसे कि rib cage जो है ये हमारे जो respiratory organs जितने हैं heart, lungs वगैरह इन सब को protect करता है. skull brain को protect करता है. So all the bones in the body, all the skeleton is called a skeletal system. इन two systems के अलावा अब यहाँ पे 4 other human body systems दिए हुए हैं, organ systems दिए हुए हैं. This one is the circulatory system. It moves the blood around the body in order to transport digested food, oxygen, carbon dioxide, urea, hormones and heat. The second one is circulatory system. हमारी बॉडी में जो भी चीज़ घूम रही है, चल फिर रही है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्लड, डाइजेस्टेड फूड, ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, यूरिया, हार्मोन्स, एवरीथिंग इट इज़ मूविंग अराउंड आवर बॉडी. सो ये मूव करिए जिस सिस्टम के तहत, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम एंड इट्स मेन ऑर्गन्स आर हार्ट, आर्टरी एंड वेन्स. The other system is the digestive system. Breaks down food materials into a form that can be absorbed into the blood. So the next is digestive system. It consists of the organs esophagus, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. इनका काम ये होता है कि ये फूड को ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं और जो एनर्जी उससे रिलीज़ होती है उसको बॉडी में absorb करते हैं और थ्रू आउट द बॉडी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाती है. The next system is the nervous system. The nervous system controls many of the body's activities. इसके main organs हैं brain, spinal cord and nerve. You know कि nervous system जो है वो messages transport करता है, तो हमारी daily routine activities they all depend on the nervous system. The next system is in the respiratory system. Puts oxygen into the blood and removes carbon dioxide and water vapor. जो रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम है इसका काम ये है कि ये ऑक्सीजन नेचर से लेता है और हमारे जिस्म में एब्जॉर्ब करता है और जिस्म से जो है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज़ करता है. और इसके मेन ऑर्गन्स हैं ट्रैकिया और विंड पाइप, लंग, राइट ब्रोंक. Other systems in the human body include the muscular system, the endocrine system, and the reproductive system. The various systems in the human body make up an entire body or an organism.